Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day. This is the high to low we're going to be using. It's an SNI 35. This is pretty much the normal high to low that we use. We do hundreds of high to lows a month. This is honestly the most popular one by pack. We use other brands, but this one seems to be one of the better ones that we use. We'll kind of show you how to use this as well and what all is entailed with wiring this up. Okay, the wires that you have coming out of this, you're going to have 2 grays, 2 whites, and 2 browns. You do not use the browns. I've never grounded one of these ever in my life. I've been doing this for over 20 something years. You're basically going to use your whites and your grays. One's going to have a negative, one's going to have a negative. So basically, if you look, you're going to take your white negative with your gray negative. And what I do is I connect them together. So you're basically going to take your white and your gray solid and your white. If you look on here, sorry it's so hard, this thing's having a hell of a time focusing in here, I don't know why. There's your gray negative and your white negative. Connect that together. And then your white and gray positive will be on the other side. That will give you a mono signal, which is what you want for your sub. So basically negatives, positives, and then you're going to T-tap that into what you use. I'm going to go ahead and test the tape all this up, but I want to show you don't ever use the ground wires. I've never used them. Don't use those. So this is how I wire everything up. This is how I've done thousands of high to lows. So I'm going to test to tape this all up and I'll show you what you do inside the car. So basically in this harness back here, which unplugs, you can take that out if you want. You can run what we tapped into is the gray with green and then the gray with green. One's a light green, one's more of a darker green. So kind of like a, forest green and a light green. Those are the 2 colors you want to use. And what we're going to do with our high to low, 1 and 1. You can't get the polarity off because it's mono. So basically you're just going to plug this in, and then the end of it's going to give you your RCA to go to your amplifier. So, which is really nice. So here's your RCA side, here's your gain side. You're going to plug that into there, and then you're going to run your RCA out of there. So it's going to convert your high signal into a low signal for your amplifier.